Hi friends, today in this video we are going to create a Flipkart model website. It's a multi-vendor website and a customer can purchase product from different vendors, and the vendors can also directly register on this website and they can also start selling on the website. As you can see in this video, there is a product. This is a product page and the customer can see who is the store, which stores is selling that product, and all other details they can see, and they can also directly purchase from the store owners page and they can purchase the required product. And there are some other options also available on the shop page of the vendor. Okay, now we can add to cart the product and they can check out the product and they can enter their billing details. And this is a demo site, that's why I'm not selling. And they can also show different prices of the different vendors and they can check out. And there is a vendor registration page is also available, so the vendor can directly register on the website and start selling their products. In order to do this, first we have to buy a domain and hosting. I am buying a domain and hosting from the hostinger.in, and now go to the domain section and click on domain checker. And you can search your domain name. Domain name means your website name. You can check here and click on search, and your domain name is available. Click on add to cart, and customer can view cart and check out. Before that we have to buy a hosting account also. Click on the shared web hosting and you can choose any plan. I recommend the medium plan. This is a premium web hosting, you can choose that plan also. After that, once you add to cart that two products, you can check out, and here you can adjust the time length and you can click on checkout now. And you can also log in with your Facebook or Google account. After that you can pay with these payment methods, UPI, Paytm, etc. You can pay with that payment method. Once you finish that, enter the billing details and everything. Click on continue with payment. Once you finish that, you will see a window like this. Here you can manage all your website details here. Just select that, and here you can install WordPress for the newly registered domain. Just select this auto installer option from here. Click on auto installer and select WordPress and add your username and password and all other details here, website title, etc. Add something for the password and just finish everything and click install. And wait for some time. Okay, once you have installed your WordPress, now we can see install the theme and everything on the WordPress dashboard. This is our WordPress default look. Now we can change all these things on the appearance. Click on themes and click on add new and upload the theme. The theme link I will give the description box below. Just install and activate the theme. Click on install now and now activate the theme. And now you have to install this much plugins on our website. Click on begin installing plugins and select all and click on install and click on apply. And now the required plugins are installing one by one. Wait for some time to get installed all these plugins. Okay, once installed, just activate all these plugins. Select all and just activate the plugin. Okay, now we are installed and activated plugins. Now just install this extension. Okay, once you finish that, back to your dashboard and select on the tools demo content install. Click on that, and this is the default WordPress website we are seeing. Now we are installing the demo content. Now just install the demo content. You can select any of this demo content. I am just choosing the first one. This will take some time. You have to wait. Okay, once it's finished, it will directly go to the website, and this is the new look of our website. Now we can edit all these things. This header, footer and page and all these things we can edit. Now our demo content has been successfully imported. In order to do this, just go to the dashboard, just click on update WordPress. Okay, click on continue. Okay, now we can edit header, footer and page. You can edit your website header. Go to this elements kit and click on header footer section, and here you can edit or create a new header style. We can just edit the demo header. That's easy. Just select the logo. You can edit with Elementor. It's very easy. Select the image and choose the logo for your website, and you can choose the background color. Just click on style as you are seeing on the video. Just select the background overlay, and you can add images and colors. Select the colors and select the color you want to add. If you want the exact Flipkart color, just go to the Flipkart and right click and click on inspect, and you can copy the color from here as you are seeing the video. Just copy that color code and just add on the website section, and you can select the color. Just choose the color and select the opacity section, and you can add. Once you finish that, you can change the next section also like that. Once you finish that, click on update. Okay, now our colors has been changed, and you can see there is the difference on the website. Okay, now we can edit the footer section also as we did on the header style. You can edit with that also with Elementor. Just select and you can edit with Elementor. You can edit all these sections. Just click on that and you can edit all these things on the left hand side. It's very easy. You can add or you can create new sections. You can change all the demo contents. Just type your website address or your website name you can add. You can change the year and all the contents you can change. Once you finish that, click on update. Now we can also change the page. We can edit the page. Our front page we can edit. Now we can change the year also. Just click on update. Okay, after that we can edit with the Elementor. Click on that to edit the page. And you can edit or create new sections with this Elementor page builder. You can select the demo contents and you can change all these things. You can add or delete any sections. Just select the template you want and just add the contents. It's very easy. Just adding an image. Select an image. Just choose the image and just drag and drop and choose the image, and you can add the images according to your choice. Once you finish that, click on update. And if you want to delete, just delete that section. And like this you can change or edit all the sections. It's very easy. You can edit all these sections. Once you finish that, we can add or create a new menu. Just go to the appearance and click on menus and click on create a new menu. And here you can add a new menu name. Click on create menu and you can add the pages for the menu. I'm just adding the home page, blog, about us page, and click on add to menu. You can also add or edit the navigation labels. Just deleting that. After that we can add some product categories. Select the screen option and select the product categories and click on the product categories and add some product categories for the menu. Click on add to menu and we can combine all these menus in one section. Type a hash and link for the text. Just type products and click on add to menu and just drag and drop where you want to set that text, and you can rearrange this or these things under that section. Once you finish that, you can also show the display locations and click on save menu. Once you finish that, you can set up WooCommerce settings. Go to the WooCommerce settings and go to the settings page. Click on the settings and you can add your store address here. Just add your business details here. You can add your country and you can add the postcode, selling location, sell to all countries, or you can select sell to specific countries, and you can add your countries here where you are selling the products, and you can add the shipping locations. And you can enable taxes. You can set up the currency for your business and click on save changes. Once you finish that, click on products select the shop page and you can change all these things according to your choice. Once you finish that, click on Save Changes. Now you can set up your tax rates here. Click on the tax and you can enter the tax. And you can change the tax details. You can change the shop base address. Now you can additional tax classes. You can also add that also. In India there is using GST, so capital letter GST, and you can display prices in the shop excluding tax or including tax. You can add that. Select including tax and click on Save Changes. All these things you can change according to your choice. Once you finish that, you can see a new class is added on the tax classes options. Select the GST rates and you can insert a row. Click on that. Click on Insert Row and you can add the country code in capital letter. Just type on IN and you can add the state code and you can add the post code. You can add anything and you can add the city. Type the city name. You can add the tax rate and you can add a tax name for that. And once you finish that, you can click on Save Changes, or you can also add another tax options here by clicking on Insert Row. Okay, once you finish that, click on Shipping and you can add the shipping details here. You can add a new shipping zone. Once you finish that, click on Zone Name. Type the zone name and you can choose the zone regions and add a shipping method. Before that, click on Save Changes and click on Add Shipping Method, and here you can add a flat rate shipping method. Select on Edit and you can add the cost for the shipping. Here you can set up the multi-vendors shipping charges here. Once you finish that, click on Save Changes. Now go to the payment section and add the payment methods. And this is a demo site, that's why I am only enabling cash on delivery. You can also add another payment methods. We already did a video for the payment method, you can watch that. Now click on Account and Privacy. Here you can change the account creation or other stuffs here. You can select or you can enable or disable all these settings according to your choice. Disable this thing when creating account. Generate an account username. All these things you can disable or enable according to your choice. Once you finish that, click on Save Changes and click on the email section. And here also you can change all the email settings. New order, cancelled order, and all the order emails you can change here. can click on the manage section and you can edit all these things. Once you finish that, click on save changes. Now click on the integration section and here you can add maximum license key. This is for the location based services. Now we are just leaving that. Click on the advanced section. Here you can select the pages and all other details here you can add here. Once you finish that, select a terms and condition page, select that and click on save changes. Once you finish that, that's all for the WooCommerce settings. All these settings are very easy, you can do it by yourself. Now we can edit some pages. Click on the pages section and here you can add or delete or you can create some new pages. All the page related settings are on this section, so you can edit all the pages from here. It's deleting some demo pages, selecting and just moving to the trash. Once you finish that, you can also add a new page. Click on the add new page section and you can add a title for your page. And you can add something here or just click on publish. And you can also edit with that Elementor also. Click on that option and you can just drag and drop for the creating this page. Just select that and you can just drag and drop everything from here. Once you finish that, click on update. Now we can install WCFM plugins. WCFM is useful for creating the multi-vendor functionality to our WordPress website. Just install all these plugins. All these are free. Just install and activate all these plugins. Just selecting that and activating that plugins. And once you finish the WCFM activation, you can click on the marketplace option on your WordPress dashboard and you can change all the WCFM settings according to your choice. Click on the settings. Click on the settings and you can edit all the things from the settings page. You can add a default logo and you can do all other settings here. You can click on the enable or disable all the modules here and you can select the product approval option and all other options here. You can add all these things. Click on save. You can add the geolocation. If you have Google Map API key, you can add that, and an OpenStreetMap location is also available. You can choose the locations and you can choose the exact location and just drag and drop. And once you finish that, click on save. You can select the order settings, commission settings, click on save. Payment settings, shipping settings, refund settings, all the settings you can do here. These are very easy and you can customize according to your needs, so I'm not going detail on that. You can add the store policies, store hours, etc. Once you finish that, click on save. Now you can add also store vendors from your side. You can add store vendors to this multi-vendor website. Just add the store name, store flag, and all other details you can add here. You can add a new banner. Just select. Once you finish that, you can also add a store list banner. Select that also. Once you finish that, you can add the store details and click on submit. Okay, now the store is created. Like this you can add or stores like this, and the customer can also, the product vendors also can add their store directly. Okay, now go to the appearance and menus and add the name for the vendor registration. Click on add to menu, and now you can type a new word for the navigation label, sell with us or something like that. Once you finish that, click on save menu. Now we can visit our website and you can see the menu has been changed, and the vendors can directly clicking on that menu. Now we can edit sliders. In order to do this, just click on slider revolution, and here you can edit the sliders. You can choose the demo sliders, or you can also create new sliders. We are just editing the demo slider. Just selecting the demo slider. Just loading the content, and you can edit all the textures and images from here. Just click on that. Just click on the object you want to change, and you can edit all these things. You can also select the sliders like this, and if you want to edit the background image, just right click and edit, and choose the background image for the slides. And once you finish the editing, click on save. You can see the save option below here. You can just click on that. Okay, now we can add some product on the WooCommerce website. Now click on the product section and you can add some product. I'm just copying from my website, just adding the description section, and you can add the price, regular price, sale price, etc. You can add all other details here. You can add the store, and you can add the short description. You can add the product image, and you can add a category for the product. And you can add the product tag also. Once you finish, check everything and click on publish. And now we can check how this works. Just click on view product, and you can see our product is published. Now we can see how the vendor can register on the website. Now click on the vendor registration section and they can add their email, store name and details. Click on confirm. Once they confirm, they will see a welcome window like this, and they can set up the options one by one like this. They can add the logo, banner images and etc. here. And the store details, store email and all other details here. Just click on continue and they can choose the payment setup. They can add the account details, store policies and click on the next step, skipping these steps. All the vendors can do by themselves, just showing that. Okay, once you finish that, they will go to their web dashboard, vendor dashboard, and they can manage all their orders. Product details are from here. They can add a new product from their WordPress, this vendor dashboard. They can add simple product, variable products and all other details they can add. They can also add short description, price and all other things they can add here. Once they do that, they can also choose the categories, product images, etc. And if they click on the order section, they can manage their orders. Now there is no orders. And they can also add a bulk order from the default catalog which we already added. They can also just click on the add to my store, or they can, if they want to bulk add, they can select the categories and they can bulk add to my store. Click on that. Now this product added to their product section, and now they can edit the prices and they can publish that product. Just click on that product and they can submit that product and it will automatically publish. And if they view that product, they can see that product, who is selling that product and the other offers on that product. Some other shop vendors also selling that same product at this price, so the customer can choose their price. And they can, on the settings section, the vendors can also changes all the settings like payment, store policy, store hours, etc. They can change the shipping settings and all other settings they can change there. Now we can test our website. Now we can purchase a product. Before purchasing, the customer can see other price also. Now click on add to cart, click on checkout, and customer can enter their billing details here. And they can place the order. Okay, once that finished, the vendors can log into their vendor dashboard, and on the dashboard they can see the sales and admin's fees and or admin commission and all other settings and all other details they can change on their vendor dashboard. After that, go to the order section and they can change the orders. Click on order section and the vendor can update the order from here. Select that, and they can update the order here, and they can see a detailed view of the rates and everything, the admin commission and their earnings and all other things they can see here. Once they finish that, they can change the order status and click on update. Okay, thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel.